I'm Tara from Refinery 29.
And I'm Michael Duenas. And today I'm going to teach you how to put your hair up in a fun, different way.
Cool.
You want to start this look by sectioning off a horseshoe shape at the top of your head. So just at your recession, all the way around through the crown of your head. You're going to start a French braid on the side of your head and braid all the way back to the middle. Once you reach the middle of your head, secure with an elastic, leaving the ends out. So once you've finished braiding the sides and the back, drop the top section down, and you want to lightly back comb to get a little bit of volume but keeping texture in the hair. Once back combed, bring all the hair back into a very loose ponytail, combining it with your braids. Twist the remaining ponytail into a tight bun and secure with a bob pin. Once you've finished with your bun, spray the top with hairspray. Place your fingers between your hair to create separation and spray to create a piecey effect. With a little bit of braiding and backcombing, you can put a modern twist on a chignon.